A curveball we often get thrown by clients is, how much should I spend on my marketing? While the first response that generally jumps to mind is, how long is a piece of string? In digital marketing, you can spend as much or as little as you want. But to hit that sweet spot, we've found that there is a pretty decent way to budget your marketing spend. You've just got to work backwards. Hey guys, it's Hannah here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. In the world of marketing budgets, you've got to start by considering what you know about your customers. You should be able to determine the demographic and psychographic makeup of your customers based on the data you've received throughout the purchasing process. More importantly, you'll be able to get a detailed picture of their purchasing habits. No matter who your customers are, if they've purchased from you, then there should be a decent trail of information to inform your marketing budget. In this instance, you'll want to identify the average spend of your customers, then extrapolate that out to their average lifetime spend, or as it's more commonly referred to as their lifetime value, or LTV, to your business. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Let's have a look at some numbers to help you understand this a little better. If your customer's average spend is $100, they purchase around twice a year, say Christmas and birthday, and they generally purchase with you for 5 years. We can say that their LTV, or lifetime value, is $1,000. For the mathematically minded, that's average spend times purchases times customer lifetime equals LTV, or $100 times 2 times 5 years equals 1,000. This LTV becomes important when we get to working out marketing budgets. A good rule of thumb I share with my clients is to spend at least 10% of your customer's LTV on marketing for customer acquisition. So if your situation happens to match those very convenient and round numbers above, you should be looking to spend $100 per new customer. So if you're after 500 new customers who, on average, will net you $200 a year, you should be spending at least $50,000. That may look like a big chunk of cash, particularly as most of you would have figured out above that the average customer spends $200 a year in this scenario, but it's important to remember we're looking at the bigger picture. Those 500 customers are going to bring in $500,000 over the next 5 years. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with their budgets. You can also subscribe to our blog, where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.